Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make transparent background in Inkscape. So for example, I have here my project of the chair, and if you want to make transparent background, you need to go to the left upper corner and select File. Now you need to go to Export. And here I recommend you to select the object that you want to export. So for example, I will select this object, and here you need to go to background color. Just click it. And you need to change the alpha to the 0, okay? So I will change it to 0. And now you need to close background color window. Like you see, our transparency has been successfully set. I recommend you to select here export selected only. And check if you selected here PNG format, because this format supports the transparency. It is very important to choose here PNG portable network graphic. And now you need to type here a name of the file. Remember to check here if you have here PNG. I will type here, for example, chair3.png, and after that I click export. And after that our graphic has been successfully exported in transparent background. If I helped you to export it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.